So guys, welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in singular forex and binary options. So my friends, today as always I'm going to share with you one more cool strategy for the binary options market. Today I'm going to use three indicators, Vortex, MACD and Parabolic SAR. It's the first time when I use Vortex indicator, by the way. So my friends, before watching this video you must do one important thing. Open description, click on the link to my private TG, subscribe to it and get your millions of dollars like this. You will get at least this tomorrow if you subscribe to my VIP channel. How? Just write me a message, Michael, I want to become VIP, and I will add you here automatically for free. And you think, what will I get here? Really, this. I hold each day daily online trading sessions. I'm giving you free trading signals. You follow them and you get your real cash. Not fake, real cash. Like this. So my friends, don't lose this chance. It can be only once, I promise you. Be with me and be a millionaire. Fine, now let's stop talking and let's proceed to our trading activity for today. So today we have $3 on the account, around $4. We always use only short time period or just 1 minute, and we invest our whole deposit in each trade. First of all, I would like to use USDB real currency pair. We have opened first sell position, with an investment of $3 according to the results of the Vortex indicator. You will ask me, Michael, what it is Vortex indicator? It's a very good indicator. I will tell you how it works. It tells us about serious short movements. MACD indicator is telling us the same shit right now. And after having gathered liquidity, we will go down. Parabolic SAR is also telling us that we will highly likely go down right now. So that's it. Now, how Vortex indicator works? You have, like in MACD indicator, two lines, green one and the red one. If the green line is below the red one, we go down. If the green line is above the red one, we go up. Everything is simple. All in all, it's important to compare MACD to Vortex. Sometimes they can give different results. Fine, we have first profitable trade. Now we are opening USD IRS currency pair, and we have changed our investment to $6. What do we have here? A global down-going trend. Vortex indicator is telling us that price will highly likely go down. Parabolic SAR is telling us the same shit. That's why we're opening sell position here. Everything is simple once again. So we have opened this trade and now we are just waiting for the results on the market. And I want to see this in the feedbacks in my TG. So guys, subscribers from TG, if you are watching this video, please send me feedbacks on what you have spent your money. I showed you, now it's your turn. Fine, let's proceed to the next pair, next trade. And after this we will talk more. Let's open USD DZT currency pair. As you can see, once again we have a global down-going trend. We are declining. Oscillators are telling us that price will highly likely go down. That's why we have only one option. We're opening sell position here, and we have already done it. So now let's wait until we get our money. Yeah, by the way, soon we have New Year. How are you? What are you expecting from the new upcoming 2024? Honestly, I want to make at least $2 million this year. I hope, I guess, I know I will do this. This will be quite good, because I have one more cool idea. You know, I'm not only binary options trader, I also trade on the Forex market. Binary options is much more simple than Forex. Forex is a more complicated trade activity than binary options. But I love both of them, and I use both of them. Fine, my friends, fine. We have one more profitable trade. Let's check one more chart. Let's switch our investment to $24. $22, yes. Audi GPI currency pair. Tried to go up, however, we reached a strong level of resistance, which is shown by the parabolic SAR indicator. And now MACD and Vortex are telling us that price will highly likely drop. That's why we have open sell position here. Yep, $22 are invested. Fine, yes, I will continue. I want to create one more channel, one more YouTube channel, ITG also, concerning Forex. I have the same big sums here like on binary options, maybe even. And it will be very interesting for me to upgrade, to move in this direction too. I mean Forex, not only binary options. Binary options is very useful for guys who don't have enough money for the big deposits on Forex. And even me, I started with binary options trading, and still I love it very much because I can get a really big sum just within 10-15 minutes from a very small deposit. And it may be very useful sometimes, for example, when you are tired of Forex market, or for example, when you have a lot of trades on the Forex and you just don't know what to do more. I have a lot of positions opened and you think, okay, maybe I will use binary options right now to earn something more. You are looking at the chart, you can find something interesting and trade it. And by the way, for example, Quotex platform allows me to use much more currency pairs than any other Forex broker. For example, I don't have USD IRS currency pair or USD COEP or USD BRL currency pair on any other platform for any other broker. Fine, so now we have opened buy position on USD DSD chart. We did it, I will explain why. As you can see, we can observe a very strong upgoing movement, and both MACD and Vortex indicators are telling us about a possible strong long movement. Moreover, we are near the strong resistance level and we are moving towards it. That's why we have opened our buy position here. So that's it. I hope the next year I will have two channels, binary option and Forex market channel. So, and this will bring me to 2 times more profit than now. Now I want to hear about your plans, thoughts about upcoming year. $80. Okay, let's check USD EGP currency pair. So here, as you can see, we can observe the creation of downgoing trend. Parabolic SAR has reacted and now it's giving us the short signal. Let's try to open short position here. We have invested $80 here. And that's it. By the way, my friends, it's very important thing to now we are in the month of December. December is a very surprising month. Most of banks, most of huge investment companies try to close their trades, yearly trades, and that's why market loses a lot of liquidity. And sometimes in December you can observe big, huge candles in the different directions. Technical analysis very often does not work during December. Everything can happen here. It's very important to follow money management and risk management during December. You can earn a lot and you can lose a lot. So be careful. Always use stop losses if you trade Forex. Always pay attention to the volume of your trades. It's very important. And use small leverage. Don't run for the profits. You will get it anyway. But try to minimize your risks. That's what I want to say during the month of December. Now we have opened sell position of $154. As you see, price has reached a strong level of resistance. Technically, we are going down, and together with it, indicators are telling us the same. That's why let's try. By the way, what more can I tell you about the next year? I think you understand that Trading is not only connected to technical analysis, but also to fundamental analysis. You should always pay attention to the economic news, economic statistics, and etc. You must always follow economic calendar of different countries, especially USD, United States, GBP, and Eurozone. It's very important. And for example, if you trade, I don't know, Canadian dollar, you also need to check all statistics from Canada. Now we have opened sell position because as you see, we observe a very strong down-going trend. MACD and Vortex are telling us that we are dropping. Maybe we will even break through the strong level of support, 93.290. So this week, by the way, we have meeting of the Federal Reserve and publication of the current rate. It will be very interesting for me to hear the Jerome Powell's speech, what he will tell about the next year calendar of declining for the rates, when they will start to make lower rates. I hope it will be in the second half of the year, because this will help USD to maintain its current level and even grow a little bit. But if Jerome will say that we will make lower rates in the June or May, oh my god, from the January we will grow, we will start growing, all major pairs will grow, the dollar will fall. Fine, so USD IRS currency pair. Once again we see a very strong down-going trend. MACD and Vortex, sorry, let's check once again. Yep, very strong down-going trend. Parabolic SA is telling us that we are going down. We have reached a strong level of resistance, price cannot overcome it. Everything is very simple, we're going down. So that's it. I think this will be the last trade for today. Honestly, we have made enough. I think it will be around 1,000 bucks. That's enough when you start with just several bucks and you're fine, my friends, fine. 1,000 bucks. That's cool. That's very, very cool. We started with just 4 boxes, 1,000 and even 100. That's quite good. So, my friends, once again, thank you for your attention. If you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically, for free, add you to the VIP channel. What it will give you? First of all, you can participate in my daily online trading sessions. And you will not only get profit from my trades and get real cash, but you also will get experience, knowledge and skills. And in a very short period of time, you will start to implement your own ideas into your trading activity, even without my help. And in the long run, you will become a professional trader on your own. So that's it. Thank you, my friends. I wish you Happy New Year. I hope it will be very successful and profitable to you. Thank you for everything. You're lovely, Michael. Thank you for all, and bye-bye.